All right, rock stars. Time to talk about every bartender's favorite part of the night, closing duties. Yep, the glamorous, sticky, mop-scented reality of the job. Let's break it down step by step so you can get out on time, instead of scrubbing drains while everyone else is already 3 shots deep at the after party. Step 1, announce last call. You've got 10 to 15 minutes to let the crowd know this is their final chance. After that, no more booze. You're not their mom, but tonight you are the boss of bedtime. Now fill those beers and wines back up. Everything should be stocked, pushed forward, and ready for the next shift. Pretend you're playing Tetris with booze, and trust me, tomorrow's bartender will worship you if you do this right. Beer drains, everybody's least favorite part. Yank out the splash gates, soak them, and blast it all with scalding hot water. If it smells like a frat house basement in July, you didn't do it right. All fruit and juice goes in the fridge. Save the good stuff, toss the science experiments. Rule of thumb, if it's still fresh, keep it. If it looks like it belongs in a museum, trash it. Grab a rag and wipe down those bottles. Sticky bottles equals fruit flies, and fruit flies are basically tiny drunks that never leave. If you can't lock bottles up, wrap the pour spouts like you're tucking them in for the night. Your well should shine like a brand new shaker. Wipe racks, wash jockeys, clean stainless steel. Pro tip, run hot water over ice to save time. It's like giving your bar an exfoliating spa treatment. Every single glass comes in. Don't leave one lonely pint glass sitting on a table like it's in a sad breakup movie. Wash them, dry them, and put them away where they belong. Wipe everything. Tables, bar tops, and yes, the ashtrays. Nothing says classy establishment like leaving yesterday's Marlboro buffet out for the morning crew. Empty your sinks, pull those drains, and check for clogs. You'd be shocked how many straws, napkins, and lime wedges try to unionize down there. Every once in a while, run some bleach through so your drains don't smell like Satan's armpit. Take out the trash and dirty linens, every single one. The goal is to leave the place looking like a bar, not a frat house after homecoming. Lock up every cabinet, storage area, and bottle. If you forget this step and something goes missing, congratulations. It's your problem now. Last but not least, money time. Run your shift report, count your tips, and separate receipts. Keep all the visas together, MasterCards together, and cash separate. Basically, organize it like a high school clique. Once everything balances and the bar is clean, boom, you're free. Time to go home, or better yet, go join the after-shift shenanigans you've been smelling from the patio all night. And there you have it, the closing bartender checklist. Do it right and your bar manager will love you. Do it wrong and, well, let's just say you'll be on bathroom cleaning duty next week. Cheers. Now close this place down like a pro.